Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Comfort Inn Suites here in Gap, Pennsylvania. This is the newer Otis Hydro. Go up to 3. You're on the 3rd floor. Back down to 1. Very nice elevator for a Comfort Inn. This is definitely a newer hotel. These are your buttons. There's your fire service stuff there. It's Otis. This is elevator number 1, the only elevator in this hotel with a 2,500 pound capacity. And here are 1. There's your floor indicator. Now we'll just get a view outside. And there's a view up on the 3rd floor. And we'll listen to the motor again. Here we go. Here on 3. Now watch the elevator close. Come over here. There's an employee area. Got an ice machine. Now we're gonna see here's a view out of a window here. There's a view down there, and here's a view down here. Let's see if this has a good view. You can definitely tell this is a newer Comfort Inn property. Not much of a view out this window. That road down there is Gap Newport Pike, also known as Pennsylvania Route 41. You can see pretty much what Gap looks like. This is like a suburban town, just off the main highway. Or is in the main highways of US 30 and PA 41. Some of your stairwells in there. We're going to see what this window all the way down the end of this hallway offers, then we'll go back down the elevator. Alright, let's see what this window offers a view of. This is one of the better views from this hotel. And out there you can see where PA 41 meets US Route 30. See where the traffic light is, that's US 30 and PA 41 where they meet. Got a Wawa and McDonald's right over there. And some shops in that little shopping center. Down there's the parking lot. And there's your second set of stairs. Alright, now we're going to go back down the elevator and end the video. Alright, now we're going to go back down the elevator. Again, this is the only elevator in this hotel. And here it is. And it's still sitting up here waiting for me. Alright, we're in at 1. Get a close-up view of the indicator. And you're a 1. Watch the button go out. Got a mirror. Hey. And there goes the elevator, and that will be it.